Hello friends, it's Arun Singh here and welcome you in a demo of wait and notify method. It is my main class where I have named as main1. I have a public static void main method. I have one printer class and I have an event odd job and event odd job class. What I am doing basically, I have a printer class. Let's go and first check this. Printer class has one boolean is odd equal to false. I have one synchronize void print even number and I have a synchronize void print odd number. There is one print even number and there is one print odd number. When I am coming in odd number, I am printing out system.out.println is odd, and when I am in even number, I am coming and printing this. Initially, I have done this boolean is odd equal to false. Now, if is odd double equals to false, it is a print even number. If it equals to false, I will not go. This is false, and this condition becomes true. Then I will go inside and put wait on this thread. Wait means this thread will give up the lock and go into sleep state. Now I have try catch exception for it, and when it will get notify, it will come out and it will print out even number. It will again make is odd equal to false and notify to any other thread if it is in waiting state. On the similar fashion, when you are in print odd number, you are print out the status of is odd. If is equal to true, this condition becomes true. It will wait, and when this got notify, it will wake up system.out.println this, make is odd equal to true, and notify other thread. Fine. Now, if you will come back to main, here I have this event job. It is inside new thread. That means this class is definitely extending runnable interface. Let's see. Event job, event odd job implements runnable. Fine. Now here I am passing 3 parameters to this class constructor. That means in thread when we need to share some variables or parameters between the threads, we pass through by the constructors. Let's go to the constructor here. This is the constructor. This is the printer object. This is int maximum value, and this is boolean is even number or not. Here I am initializing this variables. Here I have kept this as global variables. Since this class is implementing runnable, definitely it would have some run method, that is public void run. Yes, here it is, and it will print out is even number, that is boolean. It will print out int number. If it is even number true, then 2. If false, it will print out once. And after that, it will, if number is less than or equal to maximum number, it will, if is even number, it will print even number. This is the object of print class. It will call this method. If else, it will call this method, and it will have number equal to number plus 2. Now, let's go and run this method. Initially, I have print and let me print it 3 for 3. Save this. If you will see, initially it is printing is even number equal to false. Where this is even number is, let me go to event job. Here is the constructor, and here I am running that thread, and is even number is false. What is this is even number? Let me go here. This even number is coming from some constructor. Let me go back, and if I set t1.start, that means I am running this. So initially for t1 this is false. I am saying t2.start. If t2 is dead, it is saying true. Fine. is even number. Let me come back to event crop 3. Let me come back to one number. Is even number is false for one and true for another thread. So when it is false, and this condition will not match, so it will number is equal to 1. Number is less than or equal to maximum. Yes. Is even. What is the status of is even? It is false. So it will go into this condition, that is print odd number. This is for thread 1. Let me go inside this. It will print out is odd. What is the condition of is odd? It is false. And what is the number? Number is 1. Is odd double equal to true? No. So it is not waiting here. This thread is not waiting here, but printing out the number. Fine. Till that time, when this all is happening, this odd has become true and it is notifying what thread 2 is doing. It has printed out is odd equal to false or 1. Till that time, if you will see, my is even number true also has come. If is even number is equal to 2, it will say 2. Number will become 2. 2 is less than or equal to maximum. And in this case, this even number is 2 and it will go to print even number. If it is coming to print even number, what is the condition of is odd? It is true. When you are printing odd equal to 1, when you are printing odd equal to 1 here, odd equal to 1, after that I am just printing out odd number is odd true. It is second time it is coming and running this, and above that it is coming to print even number is odd, which is true. And if it is true, which is not matched to false, it will print out even number, and it will do is odd equal to false, and then again notify all. In the same manner, it will print even 2 or 3. Since it is matching condition from here, that it has to be less than maximum. Now, let me do one thing here. Let me make it 5 here. And let me run this for you again back. And you will see I am getting all the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Odd 1, even 2. Odd 3, even 4, odd 5. There is one thing here. I am passing one thread as false and one thread true. Why I am doing this? Because basically at one time I am in print method. Why I am doing this? Is odd equal to be either true or false at one time. If it is false, it will go and make this thread wait. If is odd is true, in that case, definitely is odd would be true. So, what I'm saying, at one time is odd will be true or false. Is odd is a global variable. At single time, it would be either true or false. At first instance, either if it is false, it will make this thread wait state. And here it will not execute this wait because this condition will not match. In that case, it will go and print that number and make is odd true, that it will toggle the flag and notify all. Because in that case, it will go and wake up this thread. So here basically we are toggling the thread between 1 and 2. If 1 is true, 1 is even, then print even, go wait for odd. When odd will come, because when it will exit from that condition, it will go and wake up the another thread. So another thread will go and execute this. We are toggling the condition, and it will go and do this. So let me go and have a complete view of that program. So this is my basically print even number. where printer I have print even number. This is my program for print method for printing even number, and this is my method for printing the odd number. Let me come into even odd job. This is my basically class print odd job. Here I have three parameters. Here I have the constructor, and here I have the run method. The run method says that I have basically again calling even and odd depending on that flag. And here is my method for me. Now let's say what I do. I will make both the flags true here. So that means at single instance, my both the threads are going and keeping in a wait state. So where it will get stuck, let's see. Now if you will see, is even number 2, is even number 2, print even number is odd false, print even number is odd false, and both the threads have gone to waiting state. Now there is nothing to notify them. Now I have to go and stop this. Now this process has to be executed by developer because thread is in a waiting state. Now let me make it false again, and let me make it this also false again. Now let me run this. If you will see, again that same condition happens. Is odd false, is odd true, is odd true, and both the threads are now again in a waiting state. Let me hold this back. Let me convert it to true, save it, and let me make it to 50. What would be the maximum number that to get print here? Let's see. Print it. And you will see the maximum number is 6. Why? And there is one more thing. Your thread is still running. It is not completed or not exited. Why? Because till 5 it is fine. It checks for 6, it's fine. But after that both the threads again go to waiting state. There is nothing to make them available because one thread can only wait the other thread till 5. This thread comes and print till 6, and after that both will go into the waiting state. So to make this program run, the maximum that I can give here is 6 or 4. Let me go and run this back. And it is printing 6 here. Let me go and print it 4. It will print the maximum 5. Fine. Even 4 or 5. And that's much for this demo. Thanks.